So hi guys, welcome back. In this video, we will see how to fix delete calendar keep coming back into your Outlook. So guys, if your deleted calendar keep coming back in your Outlook account, so it usually happen because of the sync conflict with the Exchange or Outlook web or mobile devices or shared permission. When syncing again, the calendar get restored automatically. So guys, to fix this issue, first of all, delete the calendar from your Outlook web. Most important. Sometimes the calendar is stored on the server, so deleting it into the desktop app is not enough. Okay, so simply go and open your browser. Okay, and you log in your Outlook account. Simply search the Outlook, then open and log in. After that, simply go to the option of calendar. Here you see, first simply go to the setting. In the settings guys, here you see the option of calendar. Okay, so here it shows your calendar and also click here. Okay, then guys click on the option of show all. So guys, here you see a click here calendar and see. Then guys choose your calendar and click on these three dotted. After that, here you see the option of remove. So remove calendar, which no longer see the event from the calendar. So just click it and remove it. Okay, then guys, you try to reset your navigate. You try to close and reopen your Outlook once. Sometime it creating the issue. For closing, simply not direct close from here. You first minimize. Okay, then press Ctrl Shift Escape from your computer screen, so from your keyboard, sorry. After that guys, in the task manager, choose your account, then right click on it and guys click on the option of end task. Okay, so this is the way that you close it. Another thing is guys, you try to restart your computer once. Simple restart also resolve these minor glitches. And if you are using the mobile, so mobile is connected to the Outlook, iPhone mail app, Android app, whatever that you use, the calendar may be synced back from your mobile devices. So remove the calendar from the mobile devices also. Okay, so these are the minor fixes that you can done. And guys, thank you and have a nice day, and guys subscribe our YouTube channel for the further informations. I hope this video is very helpful for you.